Today is Vlogmas Day 23. Yeah, so today, just got this in the mail. It is my Sephora package. I have a few things in here, so we're going to do a little unboxing. Also, I'm so sorry. You've been seeing like the same 5 outfits this entire month because I literally have like maybe 5 things I can wear to work, and I've had work a lot, so. Okay, let me see if I can just unpackage this without scissors. No. He's eating my piñata. I'm also gonna put things in this today. So, ooh, fun. Oh, I think I was shipping in 2 parts. So most of it's here right now, and then the rest was also supposed to come today in another package. I don't know what happens with that. First, got a few eye masks. These are like $2 maybe. And I had a gift card, which is why I ordered things from Sephora. Otherwise, I wouldn't have even bothered. So first, we have cucumber eye mask. Then we have Lychee Eye Mask. Oh wait, let me say what they're for. Cucumber Eye Mask for soothing and depuffing. Lychee Eye Mask for moisturizing and brightening. Pearl Eye Mask for perfecting and brightening. And Pomegranate Eye Mask for anti-fatigue and anti-dark circles. So I'm gonna like choose a few of these to put in a stocking for my mom. I might put one in a gift that I'm giving to a friend, and then I hopefully want to keep at least one for myself too. So there's that. Okay, also I have this. It is there's like the Sephora favorites collection. It's called like little samples of certain things. They're really cheap. You can try things out. Like if you ever tried like an Ipsy or like a sample subscription, that's basically what this is, except you already know what you're getting. So there was 3 of them. I got 2 because, well, my gift card was only for $25, and so they were $10 each. So I didn't want to like spend that much over. And the 3rd one didn't seem that exciting. So we have the, I don't know, I guess this is the Hello bag? I don't know. But basically, we've got some samples, and then if you like them, you can get 15% off of the full size of that. So kind of fun. Okay, so I ordered 2 of these. Only one came today, and then the other one shipped on the same day, but in a different order, and was supposed to arrive today also, but it's not here yet. Okay, so this is like my 15% off code for each of the items if I wanted the full size. And then first, this is what I'm most excited about. Most of these I'm putting in the piñata, but this one I am keeping. It is a perfume. All of the sets come with a perfume. I'm keeping both because I don't think anyone else cares much for perfumes. So first, this one is Sol Cheirosa 62. Sol de Janeiro. I don't know. It's this right here. So it's just a tiny little bottle. It's 0.03 ounces, 1 milliliter. So the tiniest little bottle. It's adorable. And it's like actually a little spray bottle. So okay, I'm not a big fan of the scent. It's very strong. Smells exactly like something from Bath & Body Works. Don't know exactly what, but it's a tiny thing, so it's fun to use every now and then. Love that. Okay, next we have a mascara. Oh, this is the It Lash Blowout. I want to open it. I'm gifting these all to my mom, so okay. I mean, I don't know how, I've never tried this one, don't know how well it works. The applicator looks, it's not my ideal type of applicator, but might work fine. Right, and then we've got, oh, it's a powder blush by Bare Minerals. It's called, the color is Call Me Blush. It's Gen Nude. Okay, there's a lot of these, so I'm gonna see how many fit in the piñata, but otherwise I'll keep a few probably. So I do need a new blush. So cute. All right, love that. Oh, also some of these might not fit in the piñata. So if they don't fit, like I could put them in a stocking. Yeah, this is no way is it gonna fit. Oh wait, 3 more things. First we have, oh, I think this is a Sephora Collection Ultra Glow Serum. Also, I did look up the ingredients in all of the things in all of the bags before even ordering it, and they all seemed pretty fine. So, all the skincare things. So, Ultra Glow Serum, vitamin C and E for the face and neck. So, that seems fun. It's cute. So yeah, little serum. I want to see what it looks like. Oh gee, there's not a lot in here. Yeah, it's just a very liquidy serum. Didn't mean to actually use any of it. And then this is adorable. This is so cute. So we have the Tarte Jelly Glaze. It's a lip mask. Wait, that's perfect. Oh, I want to try this. Okay, so it's Strawberry Jelly Tarte C Lip Mask. It is so cute. Look how cute it is. Oh my gosh, it's so tiny. Like, look how tiny. Okay, it's sealed. So love that. But yeah, so adorable. So adorable. Okay, and then we have some First Aid Beauty Pharma Arnica Relief and Rescue Mask to soothe and de-stress. So love that. Good mask. Oh, and it's blue. And here's what it looks like. Alright, so I think that was a fun little bag. I think overall, the only thing I paid for out of this was like shipping and the eye masks. Because I had a gift card that I got for my birthday in September. Yeah, so love that. And then I'm going to show me putting them in here in a second after I change my SD card. Alright, hello. So I looked on my phone in my emails and like orders and things, and I found that the other package that had the other Sephora sample kit set is supposed to come tomorrow. It was originally supposed to come today, but then now it's supposed to come tomorrow. So I'm just gonna wait to fill the piñata until tomorrow so that I can put everything in it. So yeah, I'll do that tomorrow. But right now my room's kind of a mess because I just had a whole like week of like no break. Really? So mostly I just got laundry, a gift I need to wrap, and that's it, kind of. So let's tackle this area. Mostly done with that. I'm not gonna like make it because what's the point? Yeah, I'm just gonna leave it like that. So let's just pan away from that so you don't have to see it. Great. I just opened 23. This is the last bone. Tomorrow's is the last one in the calendar because for some reason it doesn't have a 25. And then it's, I guess you'll have to find out tomorrow what it is, but I already know what it is because it says on the back of the box and it's not one of these simple bones. So we have a red one. Come here. She's so dizzy.